Thank you for the extraordinaire.
Yes. Well, what else would I say? It's silence. Awkward silence.
Adequate pool salesman.
Hey guys, we're here with Ray Garvey from American Pools and Spas. Welcome. Thanks so much for being here with us today.
Appreciate it, Elizabeth. Thanks for having me.
We're going to focus a little bit on types of pools.
So the first one that we're going to talk about today is a gunite pool. Gunite is going to be similar to concrete. It's lighter than concrete, it's stronger than concrete, and it's very perfectly designed for a 12-month swim season.
It's basically concrete underneath, rebar, and then this lighter than concrete substance goes on top. So that thing is not going anywhere.
12-inch on-center framing with the rebar. It's tight.
And with American Pools, you have a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty on the shell. Yes, we do. We stand by our products.
Okay, there aren't many of them, but there are a few vinyl pools in Florida, and that's kind of something that trickled down here from up north.
Pools that have to be drained, pools that have to be winterized, vinyl's going to be the better option. It's going to have to be resurfaced every 7-8 years. Another problem with a vinyl pool is going to be a lack of interior color options. So if you're going to build the pool of your dreams, if you want to put something custom in your backyard, you're going to be very limited as to what you can do.
There is one other option with pools, and that's fiberglass. Tell us why that's kind of a little complicated.
Fiberglass pools are a good option if you have limited space in your backyard and you want something that's going to be small and generic. Fiberglass pools are prefabricated shells, so they're actually trucked in and they're typically craned up and over a house.
Right.
They're very beneficial if you can't get an excavator into your backyard to dig a custom pool. But right here, that's about 34 feet across at the widest point. Imagine trying to drive a 34-foot wide prefabricated shell down I-4. It's not going to happen.
We have enough problems on I-4. We don't need that. All right, well, this was very interesting and very informative for folks. And if anyone would like more information about the type of pool that you can build or have here in Central Florida, where can they go?
They can go to American-pools.com.